Section here for purchase price. On line 26 there, you're gonna write what the purchase price is, then the initial deposit goes below that. The additional deposit is on the next line. Any financing is below that. Other could be, gift funds or something like that. And then on the last line is the balance to be collected. The balance to be collected does not include closing costs. So basically you take your purchase price and you subtract all of the deposits and the financing and you come up with your balance to close. I have seen situations where somebody writes the financing dollar amount in the additional deposit line. That could be catastrophic for a buyer. So please make sure that you're putting the right dollar amounts in the right sections here. And you can also put a percentage for the loan amount. I've highlighted the part here where it says note for the definition of collection or collected, see standard S. I'm just gonna jump ahead for a second here. In the back of the contract are all different standards. This is section 18 of the contract, and standards are definitions. So a lot of contracts or statutes may define terms. And in the back of this contract has all defined terms, and collected is one of those defined terms. A deposit is not collected until it's in my bank account, me being the escrow agent on the transaction. If you take a check from a client and you hold on to it, that check is not deposited. It's not collected per the definition of the contract. So sometimes I'll get checks from agents that they've held on to for a week. That is a big no-no, and your buyer could be in default. And if it's a personal check, we don't know if that check's gonna bounce or not, but when we do, we find out about it within a couple of days. And when we send an escrow letter out and we have a personal check, we have a little CYA language on there that says it may take, 7 business days to clear. But you guys don't want to be the ones responsible for that. So don't hold on to checks. We can have someone pick up a check from you if you can't make it to our office to deposit it. We also obviously accept wires. And when something is wired to us, then it's immediately in our account and we don't have to wait any time period.